Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we learn about stair automation. Uh, in this project we use this controller which is easily available on Amazon and in different website. This is 12 and 24 volt type stair controller which have maximum 32 step option. uh, Start from here. There is a negative and a positive. Each step has a single LED and you put power from LED to controller. I show you example. Here is my first step LED. uh, I connect two wire, one for positive and another for negative, and directly connected to uh, for number one negative side and another wire in positive side. And this is my first LED. Then here is my second, and we connect second for second number port, and second LED minus for second minus port. You can connect maximum 32 steps. In my stair there is total 8 steps, and so there is a total 8 steps. Here you can show how this work. I use neon type LED which is covered through a rubber, and it's look premium because uh, lights come with a diffuser. And here is a sensor. We have two sensor, one for starting end and other for ending end. Okay. Now I show you connection of LED. This is number one for one port, for two port, and three steps LED is connected to directly controller, and 4 and 5 and 6 so on. And here is a input. There is a two option. You can use 12 volt LED type or 12 volt LED type, 24 volt LED type. I use 12 volt LED, so I connect 12 volt power supply. This is my 12 volt power supply. This is 700 watt power supply. I put plus and minus directly to the controller, and here is a setting option. When you click on this, there is an option for speed of light. This LED indicator show the what speed your stair. So if I set to number one step, then so it's too fast because delay is less. If I increase delay, then LED glow step by step slowly compared to first one. Okay. Now we learn how we set number of steps. For number of step settings, press this button few second. When first LED is glow, then click on second, click on third, click on fourth, click as per your number of step. Here my step is complete, then click and hold this button few second. When it's off, it means all your number of step is set. When I put hand across sensor, my stair is glowing. Now you can watch total 8 step. It is working fine. You can set your step as per your requirement. Okay. Here is a option for sensor. Controller comes with sensor and wires, so do not worry about wire length. It's too much wire for your steps. I think you got an idea about this controller and sensor. If you want this project, I I give you link in a description, please check out and buy from Amazon. Okay. My English is not good, but I share little bit about this controller. If you have any question, please comment. And if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe for latest new technology update. Thank you for watching our videos.